Good morning.
Morning. So,
we had a lot of rain last night, loads, didn't we? And it's finally kind of stopped, hasn't it?
yeah, the forecast is good for this afternoon, so hopefully we'll get some good blue skies.
Yay!
Well, today we're going to attempt to do the Skiddaw loop. So we're going to ride into Keswick, then up to the top of, well, around Skiddaw and back down through some exciting trails. It's going to be fun.
Seen it on YouTube. It looks quite scary.
We might actually have to walk some of the sections.
I think we will.
Okay, let's go. Doesn't take long to get a good view of Derwent water. Only been out 3-4 minutes. Beautiful, even in the overcast skies. That's the ridge we walked along a couple of years ago. Very nice walk. And then up to the peak, the summit of Skiddaw. We're going round it today. Dash Falls, you can see the road that goes up the side of it. That looks quite steep, doesn't it? That looks like a 20%, 25% road. That's going to be good. Well, there we go. Just been over the handlebars again. This puddle here, it looks like a tiny puddle, doesn't it? So I'm coming riding down. Look at that. So I'm riding down here, coming here, and there's like a dirty great rock there. Just hit that. Bike went up like this, and I went over the front.
Your coat. It's filthy. You're Graham. How happy are you? Andy's done his fall. Spectacular. Sadly, I don't think we caught it on footage. But you're alright, aren't you?
I'm alright.
Nightmare. Nightmare. I'm going to wrap him up in bubble wrap.
Getting steep now, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Good, I like it.
There's no stopping to the bottom if you come off this side. So,
Don't fall off, Barney.
I've had my fall off for today. I only do one a day.
Yeah.
It is beautiful.
Oh. Stunning.
And that's it. That's the end of the tricky bit.
Oh,
Good views, wasn't it?
incredible views. That was alright.
Yeah.
Oh, shame you can't ride because that is just so high, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean some people would ride it. But given my past performance.
Yeah. You made me nervous. Oh, lovely. Look at that view. I've got to have a photo of that thing so I don't get hungry. They do good coffee here and really good cakes. Not that we've tried the cake yet, but gorgeous coffee. Very busy if you come in a car, as you can see.
Not far now, so back down to Keswick. So we can see Derwent water there, looking mighty fine in the sun, and the cat bells to the right hand side, and then our motorhome is right down at the bottom end of Derwent water. No hurry to get back yet though.
I think a gin is in order.
Oh, gin.
After what we've just done. Don't you agree?
Beer. Everything's muddy, including my phone.
Your ass is so dirty.
We just stopped to look for the pub, looking at the map, and there it is. Well, that was nice. Had a couple of pints with Tim and Karen, who we met through our channel.
Yeah.
And
Nice.
they're just down there, so we're going to kind of ride past them and wave to them.
Yeah.
Here they are, giving us a wave. See you later. Say something nice about the views you can see.
All I can see is you. But over there, beautiful.
Look at that. Wow. This ride was lovely until the last 5 minutes. Impossible to ride up this. So steep, so rocky. Pushing all the way. Whew. Having fun?
Oh yeah.
She's not really. That wasn't fun.
Oh,
I think I misread the grade of this ride. It's obviously a black run extreme. Oops. Mountain biking equivalent of moguls when you're skiing. My goodness, we can't ride down this. Beyond us.
yeah. My arms are already really aching. I'm carrying the bike up here. Good job, the scenery is good, and I love you. Because we'll be having serious fallout now.
Oh, and we down. My goodness, that was tough, wasn't it?
That was more than tough, babe. That was so difficult, it's ridiculous.
Probably the hardest thing we've tried to ride down ever.
Yeah, just big boulders, weren't there? And then there was the things where the water goes across, so you've got these big holes, so if your tyre goes in and you're going slow, which I was, the tyre just goes straight in it. That's it, you'd be over, wouldn't you? No, that was not for me.
So anyway, just the road
Still smiling.
home now. Yeah, good girl. Well done. I really respect you for getting down there, and love you.
Soppy.
And we're back. Do you know what time it is?
No, I don't.
8 o'clock.
Oh my God, we've had no dinner. We've had some wrap. Can't even talk.
Nice 8.5 hour ride that was.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Let's get some food.